Hi, it's Nate Charles from the Rule of Law Brief. For transparency, I want to address something directly. Our firm's principal mission is to advance the interests of our clients. That's not aspirational language. It is a matter of professional ethics and personal conviction. At the same time, the kind of law we practice, particularly asylum and human rights work, is not lucrative. Most of our clients arrive in the United States with nothing. Because of restrictive U.S. asylum laws, they are barred from working for at least their first 6 months here. They cannot legally earn income, even if they are fully capable of doing so. Their economic reality is severe, and we represent them anyway, typically on payment plans, knowing full well that we will never recover the true value of our work. We do that because the work matters, because we want to wake up knowing that our skills are being used to address serious problems, even when those problems are not particularly profitable. Which brings me to affiliate links. We earn modest revenue from these videos. We also earn a modicum of revenue from recommending books and serious, academically rigorous materials that deepen public understanding of the issues that we discuss on this channel. We view that as a fair exchange. We recommend substantive works that stand on their own merits, and in return, we receive a small amount of revenue that helps us sustain our public education efforts. Until now, we used Amazon because it was the most accessible option. However, many of you told us, clearly, that you are uncomfortable with Amazon as a corporation. Those concerns were about scale, labor practices, market dominance, and your concerns came through loud and clear. We heard you, and we took that feedback seriously. As a result, we have moved our affiliate relationship to bookshop.org. Now, here's how bookshop.org actually works. Bookshop.org is a certified B Corporation. That means it is a for-profit company. However, it's one that is legally structured to prioritize public benefit and company values alongside profit. When you buy a book through bookshop.org, a meaningful portion of that purchase price goes directly to independent, locally owned bookstores. You can even choose a specific local bookshop to support or allow your purchase to be pulled into a shared fund that is distributed among independent booksellers nationwide. Bookshop.org also maintains a public directory of independent booksellers, including Black-owned, LGBTQ plus owned, Indigenous owned, women owned, and disabled owned shops, making it easier for people to intentionally support local businesses in their own communities and beyond. In other words, it provides the convenience of online book ordering without replicating Amazon's business model and without hollowing out local business owners in the process. This shift better reflects our values as a law firm and aligns more closely with the values that many of you have expressed as members of our audience. Our core mission has not changed: advancing the public interest, raising the level of intellectual rigor in public discourse, and making serious information accessible to people who want to engage honestly with the world's most important problem. So, thank you for your feedback. Thank you for holding us accountable. And thank you for pushing us to do better. You were right to raise the issue. We listened, and now we're acting. We feel good about this move, and we're looking forward to seeing how it goes.